And for all of you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. Starting off today, we have two parts to your workout. Part A is going to be a Tabata. So reminder that Tabata is 8 rounds, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. Today we have 3 separate movements. We have a hollow rock, we have an arch rock, and we have a single arm plank. So the structure of this workout today is we're going to perform all 8 rounds of the hollow rock, then we will perform all 8 rounds of the arch rock, and then following that we have the single arm plank. On the single arm plank, we are going to hold one arm for 20 seconds and then switch arms for the following round, not in the middle of the interval. And on the single arm plank, we want you to know that you can hold your non-working hand however you like, above your head, behind your neck, behind your back, whatever works for you. We're just looking for you to do your best to keep your hips and shoulders square to the floor in your plank. All right, and moving on for part B, we have 4 rounds for max repetitions. Today our workout is 1-minute stations, and we have a rest station at the end. So we will perform 1 minute of box jumps, followed by 1 minute of kettlebell swings, followed by 1 minute of burpees, and then we have 1 minute rest. Again, we're going to perform that list 4 rounds through. Today on the kettlebell swing, we are looking for a kettlebell that can go all the way over your head, so find a weight that is appropriate for you. All right, everybody, good luck. Let us know how you did, and again, happy Mother's Day.